Jenny from So Confident here, and today I want to talk you through making a lovely silk pillowcase for your skin. So good for your skin, 100% silk ideally. So first of all, we're cutting out our front piece, which is going to be made out of silk, 50 by 78 centimeters, including seam allowance. Then for the back, you can use a cotton or a viscose or a linen. We want one piece the same size, so 50 by 78 centimeters. And another smaller piece that is going to be 50 by 15 centimeters. All of these include seam allowance, and you should have 3 pieces in total. First thing I'm going to do is grab your silk piece and we're going to get cracking with that. So this is my right side of my silk, that's my wrong side. I'm going to pick one of my long edges and I'm just going to turn it in by the width of the overlocking. Just a tiny little hem there. You can pop some pins in this if you like. At this point, you're taking 2 of your backing pieces, the big rectangle and the little rectangle, and you're sewing them together, right sides together, along one of your 50 centimeter edges to make a big long rectangle. Piece that I've just done that wee hem on. I'm going to place that down in front of me, right side up. Then I'm taking my backing piece that I stitched this extra bit onto, and I'm going to fold this. So this is my seam here that I just stitched along there. Fold this back on itself like that, and then we're going to place this edge along this edge here. And we will be stitching. We'll be leaving this bit open. We'll be stitching down these edges here and along this bottom edge here, and that is your pillow all made up.